Ever wondered what number actually matters? Ever applied for a loan and gotten that sinking feeling when your credit score comes back lower than you expected? You're not alone. But here's the thing, there's a good chance the number you saw isn't your actual credit score. Confused? Buckle up, because we're diving into the world of credit reporting bureaus and why TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian, the big three, might not be showing your whole story. Credit bureaus, the gatekeepers of your financial past. Imagine a library, but instead of books, it holds files on your financial history. That's essentially what a credit bureau is. They collect information about your borrowing habits, credit cards, loans, payment history, the whole shebang. This information gets compiled into a credit report, a document lenders use to assess your creditworthiness, which basically means how likely you are to repay a loan. TransUnion, one player on the credit reporting field. TransUnion is one of the three major credit bureaus in the United States, alongside Equifax and Experian. They gather your credit data from lenders and creditors, analyze it, and generate a credit report specific to you. This report includes details like your credit utilization ratio, how much credit you're using compared to your limit, credit inquiries, when someone checks your credit, and any public records related to debt. Here's the catch, why TransUnion might not show your actual score. Now, here's the twist, while TransUnion provides a credit report, the number you see there might not be the exact score lenders use. Here's why. Multiple scoring models. There are different credit scoring models used by lenders, with FICO being the most common. TransUnion might generate a Vantage score, which is another scoring system, but it might not perfectly match your FICO score. Discrepancies between bureaus. Each credit bureau collects data from different sources, so your credit report and score might vary slightly between TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. So what does this mean for you? This doesn't mean TransUnion's report is useless. It's still a valuable tool to understand your credit history and identify any potential errors. Here's what you can do. Monitor your TransUnion report regularly. You are entitled to a free credit report from each bureau every year. Take advantage of this. Check your TransUnion report for accuracy and dispute any errors you find. Get a glimpse of your score. TransUnion might offer a free credit score or a paid service that provides a more detailed score analysis. This can give you a general idea of your creditworthiness. Look beyond TransUnion. Remember, there are two other bureaus. It's wise to check your reports with all three to get a more complete picture of your credit health. Taking control of your financial future. By understanding what TransUnion does and doesn't show, you can take charge of your credit health. Here are some additional tips. Pay your bills on time. This is the golden rule of good credit. Consistent on-time payments significantly improve your score. Maintain a low credit utilization ratio. Don't max out your credit cards. Aim to keep your credit usage below 30% of your limit. Limit credit inquiries. Applying for too many loans or credit cards in a short period can negatively impact your score. Remember, building and maintaining good credit takes time and effort. By monitoring your reports, making smart financial decisions, and utilizing the resources available, you can unlock a brighter financial future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.